Today, the 7th May 2022, the Deputy Chief Minister of the state and also local MLA of Pynursla, Prestone Tynsong, inaugurated the Dorbar Hall cum multi-facilities hall of Pynursla village, which consists of 3 localities of Neng, Umkor and Pynursla proper. Also present on the occasion was the MDC of Nongshken, Grace Mary Kharpuri. Others who were present at the meeting included the Sordar of Raid Shabong, the SDO of Pynursla Civil Subdivision, the BDO of Pynursla C&RD block, the Syiem Khynnah of Hima Khyrim, besides others. Speaking on the occasion, the guest of honor Grace Mary Kharpuri said that, as a representative of the area, Prestone Tynsong is a man with a vision who always wanted to develop the area, so it can be at par with other areas of Shillong city. She also said, as an MDC, she has been trying her best to bring about the development of the area.
Inaugurated ke jonga ngasno mengenai ke jingero sisa ya MLA beran duram jongi balong ubri ubatrai shitam ilong ubri ubayi jangai badi ilong ubri ro badan kata kaman bantrai berkenti ya kali kathang kali ke jongi ngamla ban budur balong ba ka konsensi ke jongi kan kiu state hadu kata-kata Kungkoi ekonomi khmat kabalami khmat ekni kathan kabajudan ro kata kamensi berkentio nrei kabor ke jongi mungkin MDC pat ka khamlong kabare nrei ngai ka jingaro ka bakhraw shisha ya MLA padan puram jongi kamar pa ikwa shisha berkentio ekni kathan but on kam berkentio nrei ban pelong ekni kathan kabannya ringkat terdang bat kiwe ki konsensi berkamkam biasa ki konsensi ki bahasa bat kali kapeni ba inomi khmat badan berong jani long shisha baget kia nama ngasol tho ya la diro larangi inomi khmat nim don ka jengkit kia ginum la bat kan dia ya kathan la jang dengar ngasno dap dekat ciptaman dan ngasno sarong hatu kata-kata bakat hanji warhi kalau gawe kabla pau hak celah ke choni pilong ki badan bok dan nganget bah kisnan ki banwan ro ba kapulus lahi brokawe kanwan ra ya kanam ba ka buram om tang hagi development badlese
The chief guest, Prestone Tynsong, in his speech said that Pynursla has now become like Shillong town. He also said that Pynursla is one of the fastest growing areas of the state and has developed in all aspects because the people have developed a mindset of education. Tynsong added that the need of the hour is a plot of land to develop a scientific landfill for the dumping of garbage, since Pynursla is one area that has developed at a very fast pace. He also informed that the MDA government has been taking a strong decision to remove the occupants of the sweeper lane located at Yomolong to another area.
Na Kishnong kabakir state hakilian baro kinong shnong ki khon samla ki hep ki barit ki kme ki pa ni abe syaka jingnam ke jingsta kabanga sarut mata de sekawe Bat kata kadai ka landfill issue ban jaka thenyo. Nanti kiro ramba ki gme ki pa phi perkhat jingai ne me kani. Ia I ke kebajian te hajuai. Mi ka huri hura. Mi ka jing thang snong khang thao. Tang namat bom yo jaka ban the nyut. Te ka bangana sno ban ong ya phi kinong sensyara kinong senyar snom tongi de perkhat khia ya kene kam shwa bakapur kan dia ini trailan banga bang ini yo ya ka scientific landfill handi hapo Pynursla nama keladei ka sorba khamtam nang ni sakma.
On the same day, the Deputy Chief Minister has also inaugurated the fete organized at Pynursla village.
Kasih jangan apa baby? Ana ni aja.
Hanya ni habis je, hanya habis.
Oh, tak ada. Kuai.
Habis pak kot kalai betul pak.
Kalau boleh sindur kan?
Sindur boleh. Kalai tiar kan ya? Yes, tak? Immigration.